Jakarta is the capital and largest city of Indonesia, located on the northwest coast of the island of Java. As the political, economic, and cultural hub of the country, it is one of the most populous urban areas in the world, with a population that exceeds 10 million people in the city proper and over 30 million in the Greater Jakarta area, also known as Jabodetabek, Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi. Jakarta is a melting pot of ethnicities, languages, and religions, reflecting the diversity of Indonesia as a whole. The majority of its population is Javanese, but there are also significant numbers of Betawi, Sundanese, Chinese Indonesians, and other ethnic groups. Jakarta has many museums, historical buildings, and cultural sites. Notable landmarks include Monas, National Monument, a symbol of Indonesia's independence and one of the most recognizable structures in the city. Kota Tua Old Town, the historic heart of Jakarta, filled with colonial-era buildings and museums. Istiqlal Mosque, the largest mosque in Southeast Asia, located in central Jakarta. The Indonesian government has announced plans to move the capital to Nusantara, located on the island of Borneo, Kalimantan, in response to Jakarta's environmental and overcrowding issues. The move is intended to help ease the burden on Jakarta while promoting more balanced economic growth across the country. Jakarta is exploring ways to address its environmental challenges, including better public transportation, green spaces, and smart city initiatives. Jakarta is not as popular as Bali or other Indonesian destinations for tourism, but it still attracts visitors for its vibrant urban life, shopping malls, historical sites, and cultural events. Jakarta has some of Southeast Asia's largest and most luxurious shopping malls, including Grand Indonesia, Plaza Indonesia, and Pacific Place. Additionally, the city offers a rich dining scene, with a wide variety of local and international cuisines. Jakarta offers a fusion of Indonesian flavors from all over the archipelago. Popular dishes include nasi goreng, fried rice often served with chicken, shrimp, and eggs; satay, skewered and grilled meat, typically served with peanut sauce; gado-gado, a vegetable salad with peanut sauce dressing; kerek telia, a Betawi-style omelette made with glutinous rice and eggs, a traditional street food. Despite its challenges, Jakarta is a city that embodies Indonesia's dynamism, resilience, and ambition.
Bogor is a city in Indonesia, located in the West Java province. It's known for its cooler climate, being situated near the mountainous region of the island of Java, and for its lush greenery and beautiful landscapes. Here are some key details about Bogor. Climate and geography. The city lies about 60 kilometers south of Jakarta, Indonesia's capital, and is situated at the foot of the volcanic mountain Mount Gede. Its altitude, around 300 to 400 meters above sea level, gives it a cooler climate compared to much of the surrounding lowlands, which is one of the reasons why it is sometimes referred to as the Rain City due to its high rainfall. Bogor's location makes it a popular weekend getaway destination for Jakarta residents seeking relief from the city's heat. Bogor Botanical Gardens. One of the most famous attractions in Bogor is the Bogor Botanical Gardens, Kebun Raya Bogor. Established in 1817, the garden spans around 87 hectares and is home to thousands of plant species, including rare and endemic species. It's a major tourist destination and a place for research. History. The city was founded during the Dutch colonial period and was historically known as a retreat for Dutch officials due to its cooler climate. It served as a summer residence for the Dutch governors. Bogor was also important in the Indonesian struggle for independence, as it became the site of significant political activities. Cultural and educational hub. Bogor is home to IPB University, Institut Pertanian Bogor, one of the leading agricultural universities in Indonesia. This institution contributes to the city's reputation as a center of education and research, especially in agriculture and environmental science. Cuisine. Bogor is known for several traditional foods, including asinan, a kind of pickled vegetable salad with peanuts and sauce, and tahu jedrat, a popular fried tofu dish served with a sweet and spicy sauce. Transportation. Bogor is well connected to Jakarta and other cities in West Java by road and rail. It's a popular destination for commuters who work in Jakarta but prefer the quieter lifestyle of a smaller city. The city is part of the Jabodetabek metropolitan area, Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, Bekasi. Tourism and nature. Besides the botanical gardens, visitors to Bogor can explore Mount Pangrango National Park, known for hiking and nature trekking. The Jabodetabek Botanical Gardens and Taman Safari Indonesia, a large wildlife park, are also nearby attractions. Bogor is a blend of natural beauty, academic excellence, and a rich history, making it a significant cultural and historical hub in Indonesia.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.